In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up Firefox on your computer, providing you with a quick and seamless browsing experience. To begin this process, let's start with the very first step, which is downloading the installer. Open up your current browser, whether it's Edge, Chrome, or any other that you typically use, and navigate to the official Firefox website at mozilla.org/Firefox. Once you're there, you should see a big, inviting Download Firefox button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will save the Firefox installer.exe file into your Downloads folder. It's important to use the official site to ensure you're getting the legitimate software without any risk of unwanted extras. Now that we've downloaded the installer, the next step involves running it to start the installation process. Head over to your Downloads folder where the file was saved. You should see a file named firefoxinstaller.exe. Double-click on it to get things going. If you encounter a prompt from Windows asking for permission, simply click Run to proceed. This is standard protocol to ensure you're aware of new applications launching. With the installer open, you'll be greeted by the Setup wizard. This wizard is designed to make the installation process straightforward and user-friendly. For simplicity and to avoid any unnecessary complications, I strongly recommend sticking to the recommended settings. These settings are optimized for most users and ensure a hassle-free experience. Go ahead and click Install, and then sit back and relax for a moment as Firefox gets installed on your system. The process should only take a few minutes, but the time can vary depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation is complete, the final touch involves wrapping up and starting your browsing journey with Firefox. You'll see a Finish button. Click it when prompted. At this point, Firefox version 142.0 will automatically open up, ready to be used. You might notice an option that says, Set Firefox as my default browser. If you wish to make Firefox your go-to browser for all web activities, select this option. This step is entirely up to you based on your preference. And there you have it. A brand new Firefox browser is set up and ready to heighten your internet browsing experience. Enjoy exploring its features and happy browsing.